Hello, this is Misha Fagenson from Thinking Cap Innovations. In this video, I'm going to show how you can practice addition with Thinking Cap Math using Alexa. First, let's go to our website, www.thinkingcapinnovations.com, and we'll go to Classroom Resources. And from here, we'll go to Thinking Cap Math Resources. So here you can see descriptions of our lessons. And you can use these resources to practice with your students before working with Alexa. So with Thinking Cap Math, you can work on addition, counting, subtraction, and we're currently working on multiplication and division. So in this video, we are going to talk about addition. So let's open addition with the number 5. Every document starts with a description of what the students are going to learn in this particular lesson. And you see that in this lesson, students will practice decomposition of the number 5, addition of the numbers up to 10, and solving word problems. Every lesson consists of 3 parts. In part 1, students will be practicing decomposition of number 5. So the problems will be of a type: how many does 3 need to make 5? How many does 1 need to make 5? And so on. In part 2, it will be simple summation. So the problems can be: how much is 1 more than 5? Or how much is 2 plus 3? Or it can be more complex. For example, if I had 4 lemon bars and I gave you 1 more, how many lemon bars would that be? And so on. And part 3 is always a word problem. And here we have a pool of word problems, so most likely every time your students practice with Alexa, they'll be hear a different problem. But here's just an example of one possible problem. So now, after we saw the structure of the lesson, let's see how it sounds on Alexa. And as we go through the lesson, sometimes I'll make mistakes to show you how Alexa corrects me and how it helps me to find the correct answer. Sometimes I'll say repeat to repeat the question. And sometimes I won't say anything, and you will see that Alexa will wait for 6 seconds. That's how Alexa works. And then it will repeat the question. So let's begin. Alexa, start Thinking Cap.
All righty. Welcome to the Thinking Cap Math Championship. This is Coach Fred. Let's start with some warm-ups. We can work on addition, subtraction, or counting. Which one would you like?
Addition.
Okay, we can work on addition with numbers between 5 and 20. Which one would you like?
5.
Great, let's do it.
So we start
We'll
with
start
part
our
1.
warm-up with the game Make a Magic Number with the number 5. In this game, you can earn up to 10 points. Many things come in groups of 5, like for example the fingers on your hand. Let's look at the different ways we can make the number 5. How many does 3 need to make 5?
2.
You're absolutely right. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now let's try the number 2. How many does 2 need to make 5?
3.
Yes. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now let's try it with 1. How many does 1 need to make 5?
2.
2? Not exactly. Let's think again. How much would you add to 1 to make 5?
4.
Great. And the last one, how many more does 2 need to make 5?
3.
Well done. You found many ways to make the number 5. You have earned 7 points.
now
and
we
your
are
total
moving
score is
to
now
part
7
2.
points. Good job. Before we continue, here's a quick update from the Ministry of Thinking Caps.
Thank you, Coach Fred, and hello, team. Here's the latest update. Currently, there are 13 very speedy amoebas playing at the championship. We wish you good luck.
13? I'm pretty certain one of them will try to stop us from winning the cup. Let's continue before they show up for the competition. In the second warm-up, we'll play a game called How Much More, and here you can earn up to 12 points. much is 2 more than 5?
7.
That's right. 2 more than 5 is 7. Now, how much is 1 more than 4?
Repeat.
Repeat? Sure. Let me rephrase the question. How much is 1 more than 4?
5.
Good. And how much is 1 more than 8?
10.
10? I'm not sure. Let's find out. How much is 8 plus 1?
9.
Oops. I think a pigeon just dropped something on my head. It must be for good luck. Can you repeat how much is 1 more than 8?
9.
Very nice. And 2 more than 7?
9.
1 more than 1?
2.
1 more than 2?
3.
And the last one, 1 more than 3?
4.
Very good. You did it. You added numbers nicely, and you earned 10 points. Your total score is now 17 points. Good job. You had great warm-ups. I wonder when we are
So,
going to hear
now
from the
we're moving
ministry
to part
about the
3.
competition.
That's a word problem.
My goodness! A helicopter? Coach Fred? Miss Pilot? Did you just land again on my roof?
I hope you don't mind. I have an urgent delivery for you from the Ministry of Thinking Caps.
Oh, thank you. We have been waiting for it. Let me see. Aye. Oi. Okay, I should update the team. Thank you for delivering this. Team, here is the situation. Very speedy amoebas from Chandler, Arizona, are on our tail. They are playing in the Thinking Cap Math Championship right now, and they are just 5 points behind us. If we correctly answer 3 questions in the competition round, we can win this match, and maybe even get 10 bonus points. If we don't, they will beat us, and we will lose 10 points. I think we can beat them. Let's do it. The challenge for today is a Thinking Cap story. In this part, you can earn up to 14 points. Let's get started. Once there was a girl named Little Red Riding Hood. One winter day her mother said,
Sweetie, your grandmother has a cold. Let's make her a carrot cake. Go to the market, get all the ingredients, and get exactly 5 eggs. That will make Nana feel better.
The little girl grabbed her hoodie, jumped on her horse, and rode to the village. When she arrived, the market was packed. Quickly she bought flour and sugar and went to look for some eggs.
I need to buy exactly 5 eggs.
Let's help Little Red Riding Hood to buy the eggs. If she had 1 egg in her basket, how many more does she need to add to 1 to make 5?
4.
You're absolutely right. 1 plus 4 is 5. Now let's imagine she already has 3 eggs. How many eggs does she have to add to 3 to make 5?
2.
Now you're cracking. 3 plus 2 makes 5. What if she had 2 eggs? How many more eggs would she need to add to have 5?
2.
2? Almost. Let's try again. How much would you add to 2 to make 5?
4.
4? I'm not sure. Let's find out. How much would you add to 2 to make 5?
5.
Not really. Let me give you a hint. Hold up your hand. If you put down 2 fingers, how many fingers are still up?
3.
Very good. Whip it up. And if she had 2 eggs, how many more eggs would she need to add to have 5?
3.
Excellent. Since it was winter, Little Red Riding Hood had the hardest time finding fresh carrots. So instead, she picked up a huge one from the nose of a snowman and used it for the recipe. That night, she and her mother baked the most delicious carrot cake and gave it to the grandmother. Nana immediately felt better, and even her eyesight improved so much that she no longer needed her glasses. Well done, team. Congratulations on winning the competition. We are in front of very speedy amoebas from Chandler, Arizona, and we gained 10 extra points. Awesome job. For this story you have earned 20 points, and your total score is now 37 points. 63 more points, and you can metamorphize to the next level. Good job. I can't wait to see what you transform into. That's all for today. See you soon.
So, to summarize, in this video we have been talking about how you can use Alexa and Thinking Cap Math to help you students practice addition. And we have also seen how Thinking Cap classroom resources can help you work with the students on mental math problems before practicing with Alexa. I hope this video has been useful to you, and the Thinking Cap Math can become a vital part of your classroom.